Hi Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. This reading is for May 18 to May the 20th. So Scorpio, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron po tayong kabilang channel that is catered for our international audiences. That is Babaylan TV. No? Nagla-live po tayo doon sa kabilang channel. Pero kung wala naman po kayong time at hindi nyo naaabutan yung ating live sessions, no? Pwede po kayong magtanong, no, dito sa comment section dito sa video na ito, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So Scorpio, I just want you to know that this is a general reading. Napakarami pong Scorpio, no, sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo, no. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of it, no. So Scorpio, pwedeng ikaw yung binabasahan ko, yung person mo or yung cross-watchers, no? Na nagmamasid kung anong nangyayari kay Scorpio, no? So, I'm reading the dynamics. Nagsimula na tayo, no? Scorpio, ang nakikita ko dito parang uh, inaani mo na, no, itong mga gandang bagay. Scorpio, maraming abundance or opportunities ang um, kumbaga nakapila, no, sa iyo. Whether it is romantic situation, sabihin natin abundance, no? Abundance kasi is very broad, no? Abundance may mean romance, no? Sa ibang tao, abundance may mean peace of mind, abundance may mean literally money, success, no? Career success, makapag-ibang bansa. It's very vague. And one of those or a few of those are in line for you to harvest. No? With the Six of Swords, the Hermit card, and the Knight of Wands. And I think that this is, ang flow ng abundance na ito is pang matagalan. No? What I'm trying to say here is, yung flow ng energy is tumatakbo na. No? Hindi lang ikaw itong yung kumbaga stagnant sa isang lugar. I feel like meron talaga ditong enlightenment. So it could also be for a few numbers of you are graduating. I also feel like that you are going to become a superhero of someone na hindi nyo kailangan dito ng merong superpowers. No? You can be a simple individual who can change a person's life. No, Scorpio with the Death card, the Ace of Cups, and the Page of Swords. I feel like you are the saving grace, the Joan of Arc, the Supergirl, Superman, what have you of this person. I think that you saved them. Pwedeng, I'm going to take this literally, yung the death card, probably you gave them a second life. Not necessarily means na binuhay mo sila, no, coming back from the dead, but you kind of almost, they are already on their rock bottom, no? Tapos dumating ka sa buhay nila at um, nakita ko dito na talagang with all your might, binigay mo yung sarili mo sa kanila, yung abundance mo rin, no? Talagang nag-effort ka. And one of those characteristics, or that characteristic per se, no? Yun yung parang pinaka na ano nila sa'yo eh. Yung doon sila na in love, na you're not asking something in return. With the Four of Cups, the Lovers, and the Ace of Pentacles. Well, at first, ang nakikita ko dito, may denial, no? Itong taong ito. Siguro ang tingin niya, or probably ikaw din may denial, siguro ang sinasabi mo dito is, baka nababaitan lang siya sa akin, no? And ganun din naman yung nararamdaman niya. So, tinatanong niya yung sarili niya, baka nababaitan lang din naman ako kay Scorpio, no? And all of a sudden, as time passes by with the Ace of Pentacles, and I think that this is a very recent na naramdaman nila na parang hindi lang ako nababaitan no? I think that I am seeing my future in them. For a few numbers of you with the lovers in here, they're seeing themselves na kasama ka, no? In the future. So meron nang tumatakbo dito sa sarili nila o sa isip nila na, I will be with Scorpio either for the rest of my life, no? I don't want to disconnect and ayokong sirain yung tiwala niya sa akin. With the Knight of Swords, the Two of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. Now, itong taong ito, dumating na siya sa point na, na nasasabi niya sa sarili niya, no, na nai-in-love na yata talaga ako. Kasi, parang all of a sudden, nagising siya, or probably ikaw din, nagising ka na, mahal ko na siya. Nagising ako na, parang hinahanap-hanap ko, no? Either yung boses niya, um, one thing's for sure in here. Yung, kumbaga, meron ng mutual understanding, no? I think that both of you came from a different, ethnicity, katulad ng sinabi ko, no? Probably meron ditong, I think meron ditong kind of like mixed, blood. Uh, with the Ace of Swords. Dumating na din sa point na nagfa-fantasize na siya about, sexually also. Four of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. So, I think nabibitbitin ka nito or binibitbit mo na itong taong ito, no? Papunta doon sa future mo or papunta ikaw, kasama ka na sa mundo niya, papunta sa future niya, no? Unti-unting nai-inlove sa'yo itong taong ito, no, Scorpio. So this is your reading for now. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo or taong mahal ka, no? Um, it could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, no, Taurus, I'm seeing Pisces, I'm seeing Cancer, Gemini, no? Scorpio is here, Virgo is here, um, Taurus is here. So yan ang iyong reading for now, Scorpio, no? For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, mag-subscribe po tayo doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Scorpio, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the